Oh, Specky is gonna retire. We already lost one person to retirement from Klaus. And now we're gonna lose a second one. Oh my god, no, Klaus. Don't do it to Specky. Don't do it to this man. Don't do it to this man. Holy jeez, with that Warden ability. He's got 4 invis. He pops the Warden early. Oh gosh, I'm not freaking out here. As the blip makes it, he's gonna land to go for the Town Hall. Double rage goes off. There's the invis. There's the rage. Super Wizards are getting some chain. Another invis. Taking out the CC. Poison helps take that down. Another invis. Will they go for the Town Hall? Another invis. Yes, they're going for it. The final invis. Town Hall's going down. The Warden is still alive. The Town Hall's been secured. The Warden's not dead. How is the... And the CC's dealt with. How is the Warden still alive? He's got a heal spell. Bro! How do you keep your Warden alive after early Warden ability and the CC comes flying at you? Oh, no. Oh, my gosh. The Queen's going up top 30. He recalls the Queen and the Warden and sends them to the bottom side. Okay, why not? He's going to path his way into the Monolith here. He's got the King. The Giants are coming in. He's got the Golem. Oh, wait, no, that's the Golem King skin. Imagine to give you some buffs as he's making his way into the multi, into the Monolith, dropping his Wizards. Giants, he's freezing up the multi. He's going in. Remember, no Warden ability. He already popped it. He's got a heal spell he can potentially use. Dude, this is looking good. This is looking good. No, you're not doing this, Klaus. Don't do it to Specky. He drops the Giants all around with the Wizards. He's healing them up. He's healing them up. He's still got his Royal Chant. Don't swag your RC, Klaus. Don't. No. You did not just use 35 Giants and swag your RC. No, that's not fair. Don't do it. He's still got a minute left. Oh, my God. What? He... Specky, I am so sorry, but he might just been forced into retirement. And he's swagging 2 spells. Swaggy and RC. Swagging 5 Giants. What the heck is this? Oh my gosh, look at the swag. And the RC. Doesn't even need her. Well, there's a reason why Klaus is 100 overall. Let me bring up Klaus's player card. Oh my God. Here he is. I mean, what a birthday gift. Nerf this man. Stars is in. D-Mackie. Oh, okay. There's D-Mackie's held 5 times. No, D-Mackie. Oh my God, what is happening? What is happening? Holy jeez. Okay, he's going blimp. Oh, okay. Stars, please do not give D-Mackie 6 defenses. This man's gonna freak out if you don't. And then he's gonna be like, Stars couldn't even triple me. But come on, take down D-Mackie. This base is held 5 times. We are still clueless on how, but he's going for it. He's got 3 more invis. There's the rage. Come on. Ooh, okay, still clearing this area. But notice he didn't use the Warden ability. Come on, go for the Town Hall, Super Archers. Go for the... He's got one more. Yes. Take out that Town Hall. Take out the multi. Take him out. Take out the Town Hall, Super Archers. Yes! What's left? Z-Mackie's finally has to go down. Big Mac can't. Hold on. There's no way. Stars is going to take you down. Come on, Stars. The Electro Titan is down. 30 Giants. 68 Archers. Stars, you should have brought 1 more Archer. It would have been perfect. Oh my goodness. He's making his way in. There's the King. He's got some Archers around to help with the funneling. Okay, he's got 2 super wall breakers. A minute 41. Now the only question. There's definitely no question about that. This will triple if he's got the time. Time is the only issue. Okay, he can wall break. Will it wall break into the multi here? More giants are onto the bomb tower. Yes, the wall breaks, opening up the core of the space. There's a giant bomb, and he makes it. Brilliant. So he's going to get that value. More giants up and around. The archers are behind the giants. Pops that warden ability, doesn't clip all the barbarians. As he's making his way around still. We got giants over to the left side. He's got the royal champ. Wait. Does Klaus and Stars know that they have a royal champion? Do they forget that they have an RC? You know, are they trying to like one up each other or something? I know they're on opposite teams here. Stars. He's still going. I mean, yeah, he didn't swag as much as Klaus did, but I mean, come on, you got to drop your RC. This is a 3. Finally, this base is going down. It only took 6 tries. I don't know how, but he's legit gonna swag his RC. The giants are the new meta, ladies and gentlemen. We found it. We found the giants. Pops the ability. Right? Don't time fail this now. Don't. He wants to swag this so hard. He wants to swag this so hard here. Come on. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. The king's going on. We got 10 seconds. He's got 10 seconds. Oh, he drops her now. Okay. He drops her at the last possible second. Stars.